Hey everyone, Smashball 23 here, on my day off today. So I figured I'd give y'all another unboxing video. This time it's mystery Inside Out 2 mini bag charms that I got from the AMC Theater for 50% off each. When I went there a couple weekends ago to go rewatch Toy Story 1 for its 30th anniversary, and I enjoyed it. It's a great film to this day. So we're just gonna open up these main bag charms. I actually released a YouTube short in the past opening up these two right here. So I got Disgust and Sadness right here. So let's see. We're gonna open up all three of these and see what we find. I hope I get a different one. Oh, we got Anxiety right here. Oh. Yeah, I actually saw Inside Out 2 with my mom at AMC Theater last year in Plainfield. And yeah, we both really enjoyed it. So oh wait, is there any way, let me get the scissors real quick, sorry. Alright, that's the first one. Now we have this one right here, second one. Let's see what one we get here. Oh, we got Fear. Nice. And just like, well, actually, I failed to show the other one, but inside here is get that out of there. Is little icons of the character. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I'm honestly not sure if I'll put these on like any of my stuff. Like maybe I'll hang them off the thing, and okay. Alright, last one. And oh, last one I got was a double. Dang it. Yeah, I got the fear one. But still, I got like 4 out of the... Oh, oops. But still, I got 4 out of the 5 mini bag clips right here, so that's pretty good. Almost got the whole set completed. So yeah, once again, I got all these 50% off at AMC Theater, which I got they were originally $5, and I got, since all of them were 50% off, I got them for $2.50 a piece. So I did very good that day. And so yeah, hope you all enjoyed this slow unboxing video. And I actually did, looks like I did pretty well right here with getting them. I mean, I did manage to get a double right here, but that's quite alright. 4 out of 5, that's not too bad. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll return soon with more of them, as well as more food videos. So hope you all have a great day. Okay, bye.